from the iMag, and it is time for iMag at Home. So this week we're going to be doing exploding cauldrons, and we're doing this because we're getting ready for our next member night, which of course will have a little bit of a Halloween theme to it because it is October. So this is just an example of one of the activities you might get to do that night or see in one of our shows. So directions, of course, are up on the website, so go to theimag.org and look for the directions so you can do this at home. And for this activity, I'm going to change it up a little bit. We're doing our acid-base reaction, but I'm actually using citric acid today instead of vinegar, and I'm still using baking soda. But so at home, if you've got citric acid, try it out. It'll work just as well as vinegar. If not, you can stick with vinegar. So we've got our cauldron. I'm going to go ahead and add my baking soda. You can give it fun names like bone dust. We can have troll tears, things like that if you want to make it a little bit fun. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some dish soap. So we can say this is troll sweat just for fun. And what I'm going to do next is we're going to take our citric acid, and or we could say dried unicorn tears, and mix it inside with some water. And I'm going to give that a little stir just to stir that up. And then we're going to throw on our safety goggles just in case, and go ahead and make our cauldron overflow. And so that's how you get that really cool fizzy foamy reaction. The addition of the dish soap gets a little bit more foamy. So this is going to be, again, one of the activities you can do at members night. However, if you know me, you know I like to go big or go home. So we're going to get a little bit bigger with this, move some things out of the way, and make a giant mess. So I hope to see you guys at Members Night. Be sure to check out our website for all of our upcoming programs, events. See you guys soon, and tune in next week.